Next, I'm going to start with the dynamic memory allocation inside a class. If you see here, two data members I have taken in a class: student name and age, and both I have taken as a pointer type. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to allocate memory first, because both are pointers. I need to allocate memory to them. So in get data function, what I have done, to take a string, name is equal to new char, and I have mentioned here a size. So after that, taking input as a name. Now string name is itself a address, so no need to put here asterisk symbol. If you are going to put here asterisk symbol, it is going to pick a character. Enter age. Age is equal to new int. I have not mentioned here subscript operator because it is a single variable. Cin star age. Now display function, I have taken name and star age. Now coming to the main function, either you can simply write student s dot get data s dot display, or what I have done here is I have created, or I have allocated the memory to object dynamically. What I have done here is I have taken array of object. Now how to declare memory dynamically to a object? Now if you remember, what was the syntax? Pointer, assignment operator, new data type. Now this is what the data type, user defined data type with the name student. So what I'm going to write here is s is equal to new student. Now 2 means how many students data I can take? 2 students. If you remember the syntax for dealing with pointers, what was that? Your pointer to member or your arrow operator. For I is equal to 0, I less than 2, I plus plus, s plus I, don't forget to put parenthesis, arrow get data, s plus I, arrow display, and closing my program. Now how to write here? Delete s. If I execute this program, name, age, name and age of the student displayed, then again name, age, see here, name and age as Rohan. So this is the program for allocating memory dynamically to object, as well as taking object as data members, taking pointers as data members of your class. Now the next program I'm going to discuss is your allocating dynamic memory to object. Again, new operator is used in case of constructors, because your new operator invokes constructor of a class along with allocating memory. Now if you see here in this program, I have created a class sample. In public section, constructor, destructor. Now n is the number of objects. Sample star obj1 object created is equal to new sample n. Now the moment memory is allocated, the moment object is created, constructor is going to get called, and when delete is called, memory is deallocated. So if you see here, class name, that is your object name, new class name, and n is the number of objects I am going to create. Now if I execute this program, number of objects, suppose I write here 3, it means 3 times first constructor is going to call and 3 times destructor is going to get called.